What's up, YouTube? That was a pretty wild day, right? You know, a lot of ups, a lot of downs, but ultimately what we formed on the daily calendar was an inside day. All right. So let's go over the numbers and take a look at yesterday. So we had a high of 53.42. We had a low of 52.21. Altogether, that gave us a range of 121 points, right? We opened at 52.50 and we closed at 52.67. Okay, what that's called is an inside day, right? All right. So what we want to do tomorrow is very simply in between 8:30 and 9:30. That's the initial balance. Check out the initial balance and wait for either a break of that high of 53.42 or a break of that low of 52.21. Okay. Now, if we break that high of 53.42, the next level up that we clearly have is 53.91. So that's about a 50-point move to the upside you can expect if this inside day breaks to the upside. Now, if we break that low of 52.21, the next resistance point, the next support point we have below that is about 5,200 even. So that's about 20 points initially to the downside. All right, now we could go as low as 5201 or lower. We could go down to 5161. Mark these off. Write this down. Mark these points off. I'm not just pulling them out the air. If you pay very close attention, you'll see that all the numbers that I'm giving you, if price action even makes it, even first of all, if we even break out, we could just have another inside day. So if we don't break 53.42 or 52.21, which is the high and the low, then we stay inside of that range and we just form another inside day, which is great because the longer we stay inside of this range, the more compact price action is going to be. Okay. And eventually we're going to break out, and it's going to be a very volatile day with a lot of price action, which is a great thing. That's what you want. You want the price action. You know, you want the movement. You know, so there's plenty of points available. Now, what are we going to do while we're watching? We're not deciding anything, but while we're watching the charts to see if we're going to break out to the upside again, which is 53.42, or break below the downside, which is 52.21. We're going to look for clues, right? If we see price action get up towards 53.42 and it gets rejected, then we want to start looking at the downside. If we see price action get down somewhere around, not necessarily got to get to 52.21, and it gets rejected and it shoots back up, then we want to start looking at the upside. Okay, so eventually, today is an easy day though. So this is what I would do, right? Place a buy stop at the high and wait for a clear break of that high, and place a sell stop at the low and wait for a clear break of that low. All right. So you guys got any questions, any comments? Leave them below. Other than that, have a great day and happy trading. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow to see how it goes. Oh yeah, and today is August 6, 2024. This is the analysis for August 7, 2024, the ES futures. Peace.